If you've ever wanted to check your code redemptions in Epic Games, whether you're tracking a game key, verifying a purchase, or just keeping an eye on your account activity, this video will walk you through it step by step. I'll show you exactly where to go, what to click, and how to find the code redemption section fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Let's get right into it. First, open Epic Games in your browser. You can use any modern browser you prefer as long as you're signed in to the correct Epic Games account. This is important because if you have more than one account, you'll want to make sure you're checking the right one before continuing. Once Epic Games is open, look toward the top of the page and open the Profile menu. This is usually where your account options are stored, and it's the quickest way to get to your account settings. After the menu opens, click on Account. That will take you into your Epic Games account page, where you can manage your profile, settings, purchases, and transaction history. Now that you're on the account page, look for the transaction section and click it. This is where Epic keeps track of account-related activity, including purchases and redemption records. Once you're inside transactions, find and click Code Redemptions. That section will show you the details related to redeemed codes on your account, so you can review what has been added and confirm the redemption activity you're looking for. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can view code redemptions in Epic Games without having to search through your whole account or guess where the information is hidden. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tutorials, gaming tips, and account help guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.